Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. This is my part 8 video of MySQL. Today we are going to discuss about update and delete clause used in MySQL. The update statement is used to modify the existing records in a table. The syntax of update is update table name set column is equal to new value comma column 2 if you want. It's not necessary. After that, type where clause and given specific condition. It's necessarily where clause condition must be necessarily because of if you don't write where condition, then the update command update all the values of particular column. Okay, next is the delete statement is used to delete existing records in a table. The syntax of delete command is delete from table name where condition. Note that be careful when deleting records in a table. Notice the where clause in the delete statement. The where clause specify which record should be deleted. If you omit the where clause, all records in the table will be deleted. Let's have a practical on MySQL software. Connect it MySQL minus u root minus p. Welcome to show databases. I'm using company for demonstrating update command. Use company. Now show the tables. Show tables. There is employee table available in this current database. Select asterisk from employee. Now I want to change the age of Abhishek, who's 28. Now I want to change it become 25. It's 28 by mistake. If I want to change it, then how could I do? Just type update employee. Okay, set age is equal to new value 25. Okay, where id is equal to 3. ओके, आईडी जहां 3 मिलेगा, जैसे यहां पर 3 मिला आईडी अभिषेक और उसके चेंजेस सेट एज इज इक्वल टू 25, तो 28 है तो वो 25 हो जाएगा. ओके, जस्ट चेक इट नाउ. सेलेक्ट asterisk from employee. Now see this. Now Abhishek age become 25. If you want to change also its salary, let's take another example that I want to change Rahul age as well as Rahul salary. Rahul age new value become 26 and new salary become 22,000. Now, how we do that? Just take update employee set age is equal to 26. Okay. Now, next argument, salary is equal to 22,000, where ID is equal to ID is equal to 4. Just type 4 directly. Now, query okay. Now check it. Select asterisk from employee. Check it that Rahul new age is 26 and salary become 22,000. Okay. Now we run delete command for deleting particular records or all records. Okay. Let's begin. Type delete. I want to delete this Sonal record. Okay. Now type delete from employee. Okay. Where ID is equal to Sonal ID is 7. Now terminate it. I'm sorry, is equal to missing. Just type delete from employee where ID is equal to 7. Now terminate it. Query OK. One row affected. Check it. Select asterisk from employee. 7 ID is missing now. If you want to delete all record, just type delete from employee. Okay, and now just enter it and all the data of your table have been deleted. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.